Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2007 Mazda 3 SP23 sedan, stock reference number 5420. The shape runs from the 7th month 2006 through to the 4th month 2009. It has an L3 2.3 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front wheel drive transmission. L3 2.3 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the left-hand headlight, left-hand fog light, left front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, left power door mirror, left front door appears to have no damage, left rear door has 2 small dents, left rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the left-hand tail light, left boot lid garnish, boot lid appears to have no damage, tidy rear bumper cover, right-hand boot lid garnish, right-hand tail light, right rear 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre, right-hand side skirt, right rear door has 1 small dent, right front door has 1 small dent, right power door mirror and a right front 17-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black leather interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, 6-stack CD player, display screen, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor and the instrument cluster.